Welcome back to the first lecture of this course, and this is where we answer the question, why are you streaming? What are the reasons that you got into streaming for? I would recommend you to take a paper and a pencil just so you can write down everything I'm about to tell you. It is extremely important to know and be certain why you got into streaming. This will be really helpful later on when you feel like demotivated or you're just kind of burnt out, to take a look back of why you started this journey. And there's no right or wrong answer. Maybe you got into it for the money and you want to make it a career and you want to make some side income as well, which is absolutely fine. Money is your motivator. Maybe you're in it for popularity or for socializing, which is extremely great. Maybe you're looking for someone to play the games with. Whatever the reasons are of why you got into streaming, make sure you write them down and keep them secure somewhere. We also need to differentiate, are you streaming for a career, for a business purpose? Or are you streaming solely because it's a hobby of yours? And maybe you simply got into streaming because you want to socialize and have people to play the game with. Both of these options can work for your stream, but it is important to differentiate business versus hobby. If you treat it like a business, it will give you the structure and accountability that you need to start streaming. Treating it like a business will make you put a strategy and action plan into place to ensure that you're on the right track and keep going in the right direction. If you treat it like a business, think about it that way. Every business that you go to has certain hours they're open and they're closed. And you as a customer can first of all look up those hours, and after a while will know those hours. The same thing goes for your stream. You have to have a schedule so that your viewers know when to tune in and where to look it up. And this is the next place. A business has a website, so you need to create a good channel page with all the information that your viewers need to know about you and about your business. And the last thing, a business provides value to their customer and usually fulfills a need for the customer. And this is an exchange of value to money. Money coming from the customer to pay for the service or the value. The same thing goes for your stream. You need to make your stream unique. You need to fill a need for the viewer so that the viewer can come back and has a reason to maybe donate something or cheer or use Embers, whatever platform you're streaming on. But we will get into that in a little bit. So this is treating streaming like a business. So let's take a look at how it is about a hobby. If you're treating streaming like a hobby on the side, this is absolutely fine. You just need to know that with the little work that you do put into streaming, you will also only get little results. To make this a little easier, just think about a hobby that you have. You pick it up every once in a while. There is no set schedule. So for viewers, they would never know when to actually come back, when to tune into your streams. With a hobby, you also usually don't have an action plan or some kind of value that you provide to others for them to then have an incentive to donate and to make you money. That being said, either one of those reasons is completely fine. Make sure you write a list of why you got into streaming: money, social, popularity, all of the above, and then decide if you want to treat it like a business or if you want to treat it like a hobby. Just know that the amount of work and the quality of work that you put in will reflect into your results. The more work and greater quality work you put in, the more results and the faster results you will get. The less work you put in, the less results you will get.